Welcome, today in front of me POCO X4 GT, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So let's just open first the Muviz application, and now we can select the another them we have selected now this one. So let's use the last one. Click here to apply. We can switch here the backgrounds of the stems. So just select one from those backgrounds. For example, let's use this one. Click apply. We can change here the music controls. We can hide them after 10 seconds or just don't hide them. Here we have also the notifications section. We can show incoming notifications from different apps. We can turn on or turn off to show the date on the AOD feature in lock screen, and to show the battery status just always while the watch charging, or just to don't show it. For example, let's use it always. Click here on the 6 icon, then change AOD to the settings section and tap to always on display. Now just here we can change the show time of AOD on lock screen always while they were charging. When we play the music, we can also use these features separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute just to never, just to don't hide the AOD feature. We can decrease or increase the brightness level of AOD, and we can close the AOD by double or single tap on the lock screen. If you want, you can activate to close the AOD with a fingerprint if you just have activated the fingerprint unlock method or lock. And also we can set here the schedule, the start and the end time of the always on display, so we can also turn on or turn off this feature. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our POCO device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.